Hi guys, Tahia here and welcome back to the light. This is another video, call it part 2, how to customize your layout. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is open up a chart, and then on the very right-hand corner where it says birth chart, click on that and you'll see the worksheet property screen pops up. What we're going to do here is click on new screen, or you can also click on add screen. What that does is essentially add a new screen. Also, I have kept this at 3x3 just because I work off of a laptop. If you pick something else like 6x5, it's going to be really small. I'd recommend, if you're on any type of laptop, to keep it at 3x3. We're going to click OK. Now we have a blank screen and you can see there's 9 empty boxes, 3 across and 3 down. You can pretty much just double click anywhere in the screen and you'll see the charts and table selection pops up. You've got 4 columns here: tables, context, special charts, and Vargas. You can click any of these to create your own new worksheet. Let's do something basic, and we're going to click on charts. That's under the left-hand column under tables. You can see the birth chart pops up. If we want to move this, we right-click and we go to select. Click on select, and now you're able to move this anywhere you want. Let's put it up here, and then we right-click again and click on Snap to Grid. Now you have the birth chart in a pretty static position on the top left-hand corner. We're going to double-click again. Let's say the next chart we want is a transit. We're going to click on Gochara Transits, and we see this is the transits that comes up. So same thing, right-click, click on Select, and now we can move this anywhere we want. For it to stick in that place, we right-click again and click on Snap to Grid. I'm going to do one more, right-click, and we're going to go pick on the Navamsa. Click on that, click OK. We see the Navamsa pops up, right-click, click on Select. Now we can move this over here. If there's anything else you want, you have up to 6 options left. We can double-click again and pretty much pick anything here that you would like. Let's say we're going to pick on planetary information. Click OK. You can see, because this is a bigger chart or table, it took up 2 spots here. We can right-click, click on Select, and now you can move this anywhere you want. If we want it to stay in a certain place, we click on Snap to Grid. Let's say we clicked on this on accident. So we can right-click again, click on blank cell, and it removes it. I hope this helped you understand the customized layout section a little bit better. Just remember, once you pull up a new screen, you can just double click anywhere, and you've got the 4 tables that come up, and you can click on any one of them and move them around. I'm going to click on one more, click OK, and you'll see the Shadbala comes up. We click on select, we can move it around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.